Hello everyone, welcome to another Helium 10 tutorial video. Well, actually today we're going to take a look at Helium 10 Starter versus Platinum Plan review. Which one is best for you? This is going to be a short review of those two pricing plans on the Helium 10 website. Now, I've been using Helium 10 for some time, and if you want to get a Helium 10 for yourself, you can get 20% off for 6 months or get 10% off for every single month for a lifetime on Helium 10 plans, any plan out there. As you can see, you can go to the links down below and check out that for yourself. Now let's take a look at the Platinum and let's take a look at the starter plan. So as you can see right here, obviously the starter differs a lot when it comes to pricing. Platinum is $79 per month, while starter is $29 per month. Now keep in mind this is billed annually. If you click here, you will see that this is the real price of per month, but this is if you just want to go annually. So first, right off the bat, what I need to say to you is that if you want to use Helium 10 to its full potential, I would highly advise to go with Platinum Plan, because Platinum Plan has everything you need in order to go and get started with your Helium 10 journey, and not just that, with your Amazon journey as well. Now with starter plan, you will get product research, but it will be very limited. As you can see, it's very limited. You have tools like black box, x-ray for Walmart. All of these tools are very limited in the starter plan. Now keep in mind this will be depending on what you want to choose from, but as you can see, all of these tools are limited. Now when it comes to keyword research, which is one of the most important things you should have if you're starting an Amazon business, this is totally limited. And as you can see, x-ray keywords can be used up to 5 uses, which already sets a starter plan at a very bad position, because Platinum Plan has all of these while the starter plan has not. It does not have all of these, which is very bad if you want to go and if you want to use it for your Amazon business. Now Insights dashboard, again, nothing at all right here with the starter plan, which is very bad because you won't be able to get insight into your products, what's working and what's not working, which is very bad if you ask me, because if you're getting started with your Amazon store, you at least need to know what's happening with your Amazon store. Now with analytics, as you can see, we have a keyword tracker right here, up to 500 keywords, up to 100 keywords with a keyword tracker for Walmart, and then market tracker up to 3 markets for Platinum. But as you can see, it's pretty limited for starter. So right now I will not go too deep into the other things, because other things, when it comes to them, as you can see, starter is not that good. So when it comes to learning, starter is the best. So if you're just getting started, starter is for you. If you're just opening up your Amazon store, or maybe you haven't opened up your store yet, Amazon starter, Helium 10 starter is great for you. And then if you're just a beginner, Helium 10 starter is great for you. If you're advanced, if you already know how to use Helium 10, I would go with Platinum, although Helium 10 also has a free plan. Keep that in mind. It also has a free plan, which is not displayed right here. Now, as you can see right here, this is basically the overview or operations comparison between starter and Platinum. Now, as you can see, starter has 2 products, Platinum has 20 products when it comes to alerts. Follow-ups are not available in the starter plan. There are all over 5,000 emails in Platinum. Refund Genie is not available on both starter and Platinum. Inventory management is on the starter is very limited. So if you have a store, starter is definitely not for you. If you have a store, Platinum is the best choice for you. So again, let's just recap this. So the starter plan is for those of you who just getting started, for those of you who don't have a store yet, and for those of you that want to learn Helium 10. Platinum, on the other side, is for those of you that have an Amazon store, already know a bit about keyword research and Helium 10, and is for those of you who want to get the best for the lowest price possible for your Amazon business. And obviously, if you're just starting your Amazon business. Diamond, on the other hand, is for the people that are very experienced and for people that want to go into it fully with no cons at all. So that's pretty much it. Again, you can get all of these plans down below. You can get 20% off for 6 months on any plan and 10% off for every month on any plan. You can also use these codes right here, top 20 or top 10 at your checkout. Click the links down below, check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next video.